Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will continue the chapter coordinate geometry. Today we will solve practice set 5.1 example number 7 and 8. Find x if distance between the point L having coordinate x, 7 and point M having coordinate 1, 15 is 10. What is given? Distance LM is given. How much? 10. Therefore, we have to find out here x coordinate of point L. Therefore, by the distance formula, distance between any two points is equal to root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Therefore, by distance formula, distance LM is equal to, how to find out the distance between point L and M? We have to subtract the coordinate of point L from coordinate of point M. म्हणजेच लक्षात घ्या M मधून L चे कोऑर्डिनेट सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. First we take subtraction between their x coordinate. Tell me x coordinate of point M is how much? 1 minus into bracket x coordinate of point L is how much? X bracket complete, its square plus into bracket. Now we take subtraction between their y coordinate. Tell me the y coordinate of point M is how much? 15 minus into bracket. Tell me the y coordinate of point L is how much? 7 bracket complete, its square. Now we simplify this. Distance LM is given how much? 10 is equal to under root 1 as it is plus into minus becomes as minus x as it is bracket complete, its square plus 15 as it is plus into minus becomes as minus 7 as it is bracket complete, its square. Now in the second bracket we take subtraction between 15 and 7. Here 15 is greater than 7, therefore 15 minus 7 is nothing but 8, its square. 10 is equal to root of 1 minus x bracket square plus the square of 8 is nothing but 64. इथे लक्षात घ्या आपल्याला स्क्वेअर रूट नको आता. Therefore we take square on both side. The square of 10 is nothing but 100. आणि इथं काय होईल, हे स्क्वेअर रूट निघून जाणार आहे. Therefore 1 minus x bracket square plus 64. First we transfer this 64 to LHS. Plus 64 becomes as minus 64. 100 minus 64 is nothing but how much? 36 is equal to 1 minus x bracket square. आता हा स्क्वेअर नको आहे ब्रॅकेटचा. स्क्वेअरच्या अपोजिट आपल्याला माहिती आहे स्क्वेअर रूट. Therefore taking square root on both side. Therefore 1 minus x is equal to plus or minus the square of 36 is nothing but 6. आता इथे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, x ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. Therefore we transfer this x to RHS minus x becomes as plus x. At that time we transfer this 6 to LHS. आता याचं साइन चेंज होणार लक्षात घ्या. दोन्ही साइन आहेत, प्लस आणि मायनस दोन्ही साइन आहेत. प्लसचं होणार आहे मायनस आणि मायनसचं काय होणार आहे प्लस. म्हणजे उलट लिहायचं आहे, मायनस प्लस असं म्हणावं लागेल आपल्याला. 1 हा जागेवरच आहे. Therefore x is equal to 1. 6 चं काय होणार आहे मायनस और प्लस 6. Therefore x is equal to 1. मिडल साइन माइनस घ्या. 6 और x is equal to 1 plus 6. Here 6 is greater than 1, therefore give the sign of 6. X is equal to 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5. Therefore x is equal to negative 5 or x is equal to 7. Hence we find out the value of x is 7 or negative 5. Example number 8. Show that the point A having coordinate 1, 2, B having coordinate 1, 6 and C having coordinate 1 plus 2 root 3, 4 are the vertices of equilateral triangle. First, tell me the definition of equilateral triangle. If the triangle has its all sides are congruent, then we say that the given triangle is an equilateral triangle. To show that the point A, B, C are the vertices of equilateral triangle, that means we have to show that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Therefore, by the distance formula, distance between any two points is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. First we find out the distance between the point AB. Therefore, by distance formula, distance AB is equal to, काय करायचं लक्षात घ्या, तर B मधून A चे कोऑर्डिनेट सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. टेल मी the x coordinate of point B is how much? 1 minus into bracket x coordinate of point A is how much? 1 bracket complete its square plus, tell me y coordinate of point B is how much? 6 minus into bracket, tell me y coordinate of point A is how much? 2 bracket complete its square. Now we simplify this. Distance AB is equal to under root 1 as it is plus into minus becomes as minus 1 as it is bracket complete square plus into another bracket 6 as it is plus into minus becomes as minus 2 as it is bracket complete square is equal to under root 1 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 0 bracket square plus 6 minus 2 is nothing but how much? 4 its square is equal to under root. The square of 0 is nothing but 0 plus the square of 4 is nothing but how much? 16. 0 plus 16 is nothing but 16 and square root of 16 is nothing but 4. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 4. This is the equation number 1. Now, to find the distance BC, we have to subtract the coordinate of point B from coordinate of point C. C मधून B चे coordinate subtract करायचे. First we take subtraction between their x coordinate. Tell me the x coordinate of point C is how much? 1 plus 2 root 3 minus into bracket the x coordinate of point B is how much? 1 bracket complete its square. Now we take subtraction between their y coordinate. Tell me the y coordinate of point C is how much? 4 minus into bracket y coordinate of point B is how much? 6 bracket complete its square. Now we simplify this, we will get BC is equal to under root 1 plus 2 root 3 minus plus into minus becomes as minus 1 bracket complete square plus 4 as it is, again plus into minus becomes as minus 6 as it is bracket complete its square. Here plus 1 and minus 1 cancel out, then what is remaining? Under root 2 root 3 bracket square plus, here 6 is greater than 4, therefore give the sign of 6 and 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2, therefore negative 2 bracket square is equal to, इथे लक्षात घ्या स्क्वेअर करताना काय करायचं आहे, 2 चा स्क्वेअर अगोदर घ्या. 2 root 3 bracket square is nothing but, first we have to take the square of 2 is nothing but 4 into square of root 3 is nothing but 3. 4 3s are 12. Therefore, is equal to under root 12 plus the square of negative 2 is nothing but plus 4. 12 plus 4 is nothing but 16. Therefore, BC is equal to under root 16. But we know that the square root of 16 is nothing but 4. Therefore, distance BC is equal to 4. This is the equation number 2. Now we find out the distance AC. That means we have to subtract the coordinate of point C from coordinate of point A. First we take subtraction between their x coordinate. Here x coordinate of point C is nothing but how much? 1 plus 2 root 3 minus into bracket the x coordinate of point A is nothing but 1 bracket complete its square plus, then we take subtraction between their y coordinate. Here y coordinate of point C is how much? 4 minus into bracket the y coordinate of point A is 2 bracket complete its square. AC is equal to 2 plus root 3 as it is plus into minus becomes as minus 1 as it is bracket complete its square, 4 as it is plus into minus becomes as minus 2 as it is bracket complete its square. Here again in the first bracket plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled out. Then in the first bracket 2 root 3 is remaining. Therefore 2 root 3 bracket square plus here 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 bracket complete its square. Again the square of 2 into root 3 is nothing but 12 plus the square of 2 is nothing but 4. Therefore AC is equal to under root 12 plus 4 is nothing but 16 and square root of 16 is nothing but 4. Therefore distance AC is equal to 4. From 1 to 3, distance AB is equal to 4, distance BC is equal to 4 and distance AC is equal to 4. Therefore from 1 to 3, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. That means the point A, B, C are the vertices of equilateral triangle ABC. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video. Thank you.